Yeah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Al-Isra tells us, Kama Rabbayani Saghira. And we ask Allah to be merciful to our parents as they were merciful to us when we were Saghira, when we were small. Have you ever thought, as I said, this is the mad idea. Today everybody speaks that success is when your children get up and they have degrees and diplomas and they get their own houses and they get big and they move to New York and Japan and China and wherever the world is and they go on. That is success, isn't it? You can't tell anyone that's not success, and I'm not telling you that's not success. Don't go and say Shaikh Shafayat said that. You think how you want to think. I'm just giving you a little wild thought. Put it in your pipe and smoke it. Digest it. Think about what we say. When we were small, Kama Rabbayani Saghira. Rabbir Hamahuma Kama Rabbayani Saghira. We make dua for Allah to be nice and kind and merciful to our parents as they were nice and kind and merciful to us when we were small. Because when we were small, they didn't put us in an orphanage, right? They didn't kick you out. They didn't throw you out. They made the time with their job to take you to school. They had to pay someone to take you. They did that. They changed their career. They changed going to Texas to work, to stay in Florida. They changed going for a job in New York to stay in Florida because it will affect your school. You remember these things? Yeah? And when you get your sophisticated job and your sophisticated career, you leave them in Florida and you go ahead. How you like that? That makes sense? Astaghfirullah. I get a lot of goosebumps here. I'm not telling you to do otherwise. Brothers, you understand what we're talking about? I'm not telling you that. I'm just telling you, think about it. Fortunate is that person who, when they were small, they were able to live with their parents. Isn't it? Don't we all think we are very blessed to live with our parents? They fed us, they take care of us, they took us to school, walked us to school, bring us home. In Florida, I see mothers line up for 1 hour, half an hour to wait to pick up their children. Boy, the full 9 yards. Didn't they do that? They change their job, their career, their profession. They leave states, they left countries. And you hear them say, I came to America so my children will progress and get the opportunities where the sky is the limit for my children's education, for their benefit, and then the children get married and they leave you and say, I left them for my benefit. They came to America for your benefit, and you left them for your benefit. You understand that, Mr. Rifat Saib? I'm not telling you do that, I'm just saying you do some thinking. That's all I'm telling you on myself. Fortunate is that person that they are blessed as they were able to live with their parents when they were small, that they can also live with their parents when their parents get old. That's a different bounty from Allah. Sahibahuma fi dunya. This is what Allah is talking about. Be in the company and your parents in your company, whether you live with them or they live with you. I don't know. I'm not telling you what to do. Extend your house, buy more land, whatever. That's not the lifestyle today. So you're going to say Shaikh Shafayat is mad. You go ahead and say that. I have no problem. But I'll tell you there's a hadith though. The Prophet ﷺ says, Lanatay unpar, woe on that person who has old parents and do not get Jannat from them. Here is a vehicle and an opportunity to get Jannah. And they don't use that opportunity, that gift, that living gift to get Jannah. So you're very fortunate when you can live with your parents when they get old, or when your parents can live with you when they get old. And that's a blessing and mercy that Allah gives you. Money can't buy that.